The MECREGEN system has multiple configurations. Each one has a specific job. The MECREGEN system has 2 primary configurations and 9 subconfigurations. The primary configurations are based on 2 markets: renewable transportation and renewable electricity generation. The primary configurations are named the MECREGEN Engine and the MECREGEN Generator. Here is a list of the names of the different subconfigurations and their markets. The renewable transportation system's configurations are based on the MECREGEN Engine. The name of the subconfigurations: MECREGEN Renewable Ground Engine, MECREGEN Renewable Marine Engine, MECREGEN Renewable Air Engine. The renewable electricity generation system's configurations are based on the MECREGEN Generator. The name of the subconfigurations: MECREGEN Renewable Generator Motor, MECREGEN Renewable Mobile Generator, MECREGEN Renewable Truck Generator, MECREGEN Renewable Air Generator. Renewable Transportation. Renewable transportation is based on the MECREGEN Renewable Engine. It has 3 subconfigurations. 1. MECREGEN Renewable Ground Engine. 2. MECREGEN Renewable Marine Engine. 3. MECREGEN Renewable Air Engine. MECREGEN Renewable Engine. The MECREGEN Renewable Engine is powered by an alternator attached to the front of the MECREGEN system. MECREGEN Renewable Ground Engine. The MECREGEN Renewable Ground Engine replaces the combustion engine in automobiles, construction equipment, farm equipment, and other equipment that uses the combustion engine. MECREGEN Renewable Marine Engine. The MECREGEN Renewable Marine Engine replaces the combustion engine in watercrafts, boats, and ships. MECREGEN Renewable Air Engine. The MECREGEN Renewable Air Engine replaces the combustion engine in single-engine propeller airplanes and twin-engine propeller airplanes. Electricity generator is based on the MECREGEN Renewable Generator. It has 4 subconfigurations. 1. MECREGEN Renewable Generator Motor. 2. MECREGEN Renewable Mobile Generator. 3. MECREGEN Renewable Truck Generator. 4. MECREGEN Renewable Air Generator. MECREGEN Renewable Generator. The MECREGEN Renewable Generator replaces the combustion engine in generators for residential generators, building generators, factory generators, microgrid generators, and grid generators. MECREGEN Renewable Generator Motor. The MECREGEN Renewable Generator Motor is configured to use the MECREGEN Renewable Generator and the electric motor. There can be multiple generators and multiple electric motors. Which one is required is dictated by the need. The electric ships, electric trains, and electric submarines each has a specific requirement. MECREGEN Renewable Mobile Generator. The MECREGEN Renewable Mobile Generator is the MECREGEN Renewable Generator mount on or in trailers, allowing the generator to be moved to any location in any environment. MECREGEN Renewable Truck Generator. The MECREGEN Renewable Truck Generator is configured with the MECREGEN engine and generator mounted on the truck. It turns the truck into a renewable electricity source. It is good for job sites or emergencies. MECREGEN Renewable Air Generator. The MECREGEN Renewable Air Generator is the MECREGEN Renewable Generator designed with lightweight materials. The generator provides electricity to electric airplane engines, electric drones, and satellites. For more information, go to our website www.mecregen.com. We can be contacted at info@mecregen.com. Thank you for your time.